Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Real quick, give y'all a walk around of the car because I like how the car is looking though, with the yellow DRLs and the front mount intake. This is what it's looking like. I'm kind of just parked up in a random lot here. Everyone probably staring at me right now, but yeah, car's looking crazy with the big front mount intake. Like I always say, if you guys want to grab any mods for your cars, check out my website, link in the description. I sell a bunch of cosmetic mods mostly, and this is my first performance mod. This is not on the website yet, but depending on how many of you guys actually want to get that as well, then I'll try to bring it faster. But yeah, this is what the car is looking like. And in my last video, as y'all saw when I was at school cutting up with a bunch of other BMWs, the car was actually tuned, so I am stage 2. I did not go over the tune very well in that video because there's a bunch of things going on, bro. So this video is mainly focused on what stage 2 feels like. And when I tell y'all, bro, it's an insane difference compared to the 335i. I did not know this car would be like that much faster. The B58s are no joke. First low pull. And this is just a stage 2 OTS tune. B58 is something else, bro. Damn. Turn that AC off. God damn, bro. Y'all hear that turbo? I'm telling y'all, the intake is crazy loud there. I think I go straight. Yeah. Damn, this looks crazy. I'm gonna step on my car and take some pictures right here, cause let's see. Alright, let's get it, bro. See, my videos always goes off track, but I feel like you guys like that when I show y'all everything behind the scenes, because I could just show you guys the car, just make it like reaction to the stage 2, but I'm gonna show y'all everything, bro. Damn, bro, but tell me how crazy this looks, boys. I just need to get some springs on this and some new wheels, but for now this is how it's gonna be looking because winter's coming up. But yeah, enough of me talking and playing around. Just gonna give y'all the POV before traffic builds up. Yeah, the car's feeling crazy though, boys. I could not wait to tune it. In my last video I said it was close to 500, but I was wrong. It's the M340is that make close to 500. I think I'm making like probably like 450, somewhere around there. But it is fast though, like compared to my N55, it is fast, because my 335i, that was a pneumatic wastegate, so it wasn't even electronic, so it was a bit slower. Yeah, this thing is crazy, bro. It is not a joke. It got some little burbles, but that turbo flutters everything. That's a 340i over there too. Damn, that's a nice Porsche. I don't even know which one that is. Yeah, my window's fully down with my head mount, but I gotta get this content, bro. I gotta make this video good for y'all. It probably looks stupid to everyone else, but hey, I'm doing what I like. You guys like it, so it's worth it. Thing sounds crazy. I can't wait for the res delete because I know you guys like the pops as well, and I miss the pops. So once the pops are back with the intake and the turbo flutter and everything, that's gonna be sounding perfect. It's not even stage 2 plus, it's just regular stage 2. Yeah, the B58 is no joke, bro. People talk about it, but it's actually for real crazy fast. And this is not where I'm stopping with this car. I just could not drive it stock for any longer because it was so slow. Even my camera is moving, bro. Thing got my whole head mount falling off. But yeah, this is not where I'm stopping. I want to make this car fast, bro. Like, one person I really look up to with the B58 is one stock F30. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know him as well. I bet most of y'all know h This thing is crazy. I actually gapped to ISF yesterday. It was a 2IS model. If y'all know, I had a 2006 IS 350. I'm cutting that boy off, dog. But yeah, I had a IS 350. Damn. And pops are there a little bit. Damn. And when I tell y'all, bro, I walked him. I didn't get it on camera because I didn't even expect to run into anyone, but it was a good race. And this B58 did not disappoint. And I have the XHP Stage 3 tune, so the shifts are sounding crisp. That's why when I shift, it has that aggressive like burp sound, and when I let off the gas, I have the overrun brop with MHD. The way this thing throws me back in my seat, it's something else. But look at how crazy fall looks. It's probably my favorite time of the year, looks wise. It only sucks because, you know, after fall is winter. But yeah, I'm going to be documenting everything for y'all to show y'all what the car is like. I don't know why my car keeps saying that. I haven't tried the rolling anti-lag yet. I probably should do it right now and do it on the video. I might do that. Listen to that thing, bro. Sounds like a whole spaceship. Yeah, I hear them little burbles. I feel like it would also be louder if I turn my settings up, because I just copied the settings from the 335.